there's some of the other treatments, that we do offer, also the emerald laser. What happens with a lot of people is when they don't feel good about themselves or their appearance or whatever it may be, inevitably that also affects how they feel internally and physically. So people can manifest more pain, more issues. So being able to not only physically make you feel better, but at the same time also helping you to look better and also dropping some fat around the abdomen and also a little bit of weight, that can make a huge difference in terms of how you physically feel in the long run. So we definitely want to make people look at it and feel better, and that's part of the Polar Healing Med Spa that you had mentioned.
I was really intrigued too, because like there's no downtime, there's no pain in the process. How would you compare that physiologically to something like cool sculpting?
The difference between this and cool sculpting is number one, you're not going to get the pain, you're not going to get the stick of butter that you could potentially get with that. And the emerald laser actually has a greater benefit in terms of lost inches. So, for instance, if you take the abdomen or the circumference, on average, people would lose about 4, maybe 5 inches, some people more and some people less, depending on also their physiology and what they're doing physically too as well. And with cool sculpting, people don't usually get up to that much in terms of inches lost. So it makes a huge difference, but it's also not painful at all. And the way that it actually works is that it actually helps poke holes in fat cells so that it can kind of leak out. And it's taken out through your lymphatic system. So through hydration, obviously keeping a healthy lifestyle, people can get the results that they ultimately want and ultimately feel better, certainly in terms of how they're wearing their clothes or how they look, and obviously how they physically feel better too as well.